Hello everyone, welcome to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to teach you on how to log in IBEDC career account. Firstly, open up your preferred browser. I prefer Google. Now after opening, there you can see the search bar. All you need to do is type the IBEDC career login. After searching, it will lead to this page. All you have to do is click on the first website. Enter the email that is associated with IBEDC account. Likewise, also type the password that is associated with IBEDC account. If you have forgotten your password, all you can do is click on the forget password option. After entering your credential, all you have to do is click in the login button. Now you are successfully logged into your IBEDC account. Here you can do job posting, apply for the jobs, update your profile information, and perform other relatable tasks. I hope this video was helpful and simple. Don't forget to subscribe Guide Hub and like the videos. Thank you.